Continental De Kaiser tire, one of the grippiest tires you'll ever find. Rear Chris King hub, the best engaging hub on the market. Inspired rims, super strong. Trial Tech chain tensioner, best tensioner to convert to a single speed you can find. Shimano Saint cranks, super stiff, super strong, puts power to the wheel instantly. Inspired seat, super comfortable, great for bar spin. Inspired hex frame, one of the best riding 26-inch street trials frames out there. Inspired fork, great, stiff, strong, no complaints. Front Chris King disc hub, awesome. Trial Tech street riser stem, 90 by 25. Gold Chris King headset, awesome, super smooth, one of the best headsets you'll ever find in the market. Trial Tech bars, high-rise street bars, cut down an inch on each side, better for bar spins for me. Inspired rims, super strong, no complaints. Trial Tech magnesium pedal, the lightest, grippiest platform pedal I've ever used, and my most favorite pedal of all time. Chris King bottom bracket, pretty stiff, great with these cranks, plus gold to match the rest of the Gold King stuff. Laser Sport helmet, this helmet's super light, injection molded just like the mountain bike or road helmets that you would use, but in a skate style. One of the lightest skate helmets you'll ever find, / BMX helmets.